We still use a law of cosine in an application problem. So bond length, this is an application. You could do it outside. So a surveyor needs to find the length of a bond, but does so indirectly, not directly. She selects a point A in here on one side of the bond and measures the distance to the points B was easily and C at opposite ends. So AB was 537 yards and AC was 823 yards. The angle between was 130 degrees. Now we need to find the length of the bond, which is BC, from B to C. So let's do that here. So first we set our sides. We know that this side, let's select that here. Let's make it with red. Yes. This side from here, from this point to this point, is the length that we want to find. So BC is opposite to A. We name it A, lowercase a. And it's unknown, we need to know it. And this side AC opposite to B, which is B, lowercase. And this side opposite to C, which is C. And we know angle A, measure of angle A is 130. We know C, we know B. And we're looking for A. So right away, we're going to do that here. A square equals B square plus C square. Now Pythagorean, but Pythagorean for not right triangle. B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine the angle between B and C, which is A. We have all of this info. So B square, which is 823 yards square, plus C square, C is 537 square, minus 2BC, 2 times 823 times 537. Let's drag it down. Here. Minus 2 times, yeah, we got this here. 2 times BC, which is 823 times 537, times cosine the angle between. Cosine A, which is cosine 130. So we calculate this and that, and we calculate this in our calculator to find A squared. Let's do that here. So 8, open parenthesis, 823 square, 823 square, plus 537 square, and then we're going to close parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, 2 times 823, close, open, 537, close, cosine 130, close for cosine, and then close for the whole situation. Enter. It gives us 1533859. Yeah, and we have to square root it. So it's 1,533,859.25. So let's write down this number, and then we have to radicalize. So a square equals 1533, 1533, and then 859, 859.25, 0.25. So we have to radical them, get the square root of it. So square root second x square root of this number, which is 1533.859.25. 153, 3 again. Do as I do. Make sure that you type correct numbers, correct digits. 859.25. Enter. And it's going to be 1238 point, let's say 0.5. 1238.5. 1238.5 yards. This is A. This is the length of the bond.